Cardano will explode after introducing smart contracts. Hello everyone, we hope you're all healthy and having a great day today. We are your hosts, Richly. Welcome back to the channel. We're back with yet another amazing video. Cardano will go to the moon after this update. Smart contracts update is finally coming to Cardano, says Charles Hoskinson. Make sure you're subscribed to our channel or miss the opportunity of getting the latest news and updates in the crypto market. Stick around until the end of the video to know when this smart contracts update is going to arrive for Cardano. On September 12, 2021, ADA plans to introduce Cardano's smart contract functionality. The platform will be improved in numerous ways with the new upgrade. Cardano has risen to become the world's third largest cryptocurrency, and investors are expecting good profits shortly. While Cardano's price reached an all-time high of nearly $2.80 on August 23, 2021, ADA has some exciting news. While Cardano is nearing the end of the Alonzo Purple public test, the cryptocurrency network will soon get the ability to use smart contracts, which will enhance it. Continue reading to learn more about Cardano smart contracts, the release date, and how smart contracts will aid in the growth of the Cardano price. Alonzo is the name of a new upgrade that has been in the works for a long time and will provide numerous platform enhancements. dApps, DeFi capabilities, and smart contracts are among the additional features that the update will bring to Cardano. Cardano, unlike other cryptocurrencies, strives to tackle real-world issues. Cardano will be enhanced with smart contracts, allowing it to compete with Ethereum and Bitcoin. Every cryptocurrency is based on a network of ledgers that can record and trace information exchanges. A blockchain is a network of ledgers like this. Small scripts that run on a blockchain network are known as smart contracts. A blockchain becomes a programmable platform that can run other apps when smart contracts are enabled. Smart contracts are one of the most eagerly anticipated aspects of the Alonzo upgrade for Cardano. Cardano will be able to reach out to more people thanks to smart contracts, which will make the platform more effective and helpful. Cardano smart contracts will essentially enable three functionalities for the blockchain. To begin with, smart contracts will enable decentralized finance applications. Second, it will allow for the creation of non-fungible tokens or NFTs. Smart contracts might potentially have an impact on how the gaming industry operates, since they would let gamers use NFTs to purchase in-game items and assets. The proposal to implement smart contracts next month may surprise doubters who said the functionality would take a long time to arrive. Cardano surged above $2 for the first time in almost 3 months after the blockchain's lead developer revealed a September release date for the planned Alonzo update, which would provide smart contract capabilities and fix one of the network's most apparent flaws, according to detractors. Cardano's smart contract feature would let it integrate new applications, such as decentralized finance systems that automate Bitcoin lending and trading. The enhancement may help the network challenge Ethereum, which is now the top among blockchains that support smart contracts. On Friday, the ADA price hit $2.08, its highest level since mid-May, when it hit an all-time high of $2.31. It's up 16% in the last 24 hours. Cardano's market capitalization has risen to over $65 billion, putting it in a tie with Binance Coin and Tether for third place among all cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. In a video published by developer Input Output on Friday, Cardano's head of delivery, Nigel Hemsley, claimed the platform will issue the Alonzo update on September 12th. The developer later tweeted that the platform's update is scheduled for September 12th. Cardano is a blockchain created by Ethereum co-founder Charles Hoskinson that attempts to compete with Ethereum and other decentralized application platforms by claiming to be more scalable, secure, and efficient. Yuri Mazur, head of data analytics at crypto trading platform CEX.io broker, stated via email, any rise in the price of cryptocurrencies is either directly triggered by favorable news pushing up sentiments among purchasers or a growth in line with the broader market trend. Cardano's long-awaited Alonzo update is another cause for investors to buy the coin. In a prediction market launched in July, users may wager on whether Cardano will be able to deploy smart contract capabilities by October 1st. The betting contract, which pays out $1 of the stable coin US dollar coin if Cardano meets the deadline, was trading at 85 cents at press time. This is up from 30 cents when the market initially opened on July 18th. According to Charles Hoskinson, CEO of IOHK, the firm responsible for the Cardano protocol's research and development, he is pleased that blockchain startup DC Spark's innovative sidechain project, dubbed Milko Meta, would allow EVM-compatible smart contracts to be performed from the Cardano mainnet. Furthermore, the Milko Meta project aims to provide Cardano and other Layer 1 blockchains, such as Solana, with interoperability in the future. Doesn't this sound fantastic? But who is making this assertion, and how likely are they to follow through on their promises? We need to look into DC Spark and the Milko Meta project more closely to get answers on these issues. Using August 2nd, DC Spark, a new business, revealed what considerations impacted its choice to create software products on Cardano, which is described as one of the most promising crypto projects in the sector. So what is the purpose of DC Spark? The major aims, according to the development team, are to extend blockchain protocol layers, install best-in-class ecosystem tooling, develop and release user-facing apps. Nicholas Arcaros, Sebastian Guillemot, and Robert Kornacki co-founded DC Spark in April. Nicholas Arcaros, the CEO of Cardano, is the former CTO of Emergo, which performs for Cardano what Consensus does for Ethereum, and now serves as a board member at the Cardano Foundation. Sebastian Guillemot, CTO of Emergo, was previously the company's VP of Engineering and Cardano Product Manager. Robert Kornacki, CSO, was previously the head of research at Emergo. In a blog post published on July 9th, Arcaros explains what sets DC Spark apart from its competitors. Unlike most other product development businesses, we can travel between the two top tiers, application layer and development and libraries layer, while also knowing the bottom layer, protocol layer. This provides us a distinct competitive advantage in product development because we don't have to wait for others to build libraries or other components we want. Instead, we build them ourselves and contribute to the betterment of the community and ecosystem as a whole by making them open source and freely available to all. Currently, the business is working on two Cardano-related products: Flint, a Cardano-specific decentralized application browser, and Milko Meta, which will make smart contracts easier to utilize. The DC Spark CEO wrote another blog post on August 2nd, this time detailing why his firm uses Cardano. He began by stating that Cardano users have access to a full-fledged POS system at their disposal, which overcomes many of the usability issues that other POS chains struggle with. Since Cardano's mainnet launched in 2017, Arcaros stated, "The network has acquired a substantial level of user interest, helping to make Cardano one of the top crypto projects in terms of the market cap and over 2,100 stake pools, making it both one of the most decentralized and popular blockchains." He then discussed why the Cardano ledger's extended UTXO architecture, which is an extension of Bitcoin's UTXO model, is better than Ethereum's and most other smart contract platforms' theoretically simpler account-based approach. What sets Cardano different is its self-sustaining method for promoting ecosystem growth, a decentralized DAO dubbed Catalyst, Arcaros said. DC Spark CTO Sebastian Guillemot discusses Milko Meta, his company's sidechain initiative, in a blog post published yesterday. The basic idea is that Milko Meta will provide both EVM-based sidechains and novel tech that provides seamless UX for both developers and general users to L1 blockchains like Cardano, Solana, and Polkadot that do not yet have the same kind of robust developer community or level of mass adoption as Ethereum. Building out sidechains with alternative VMs connected to the L1 main chains that utilize their coin as their basic asset, Milko Meta wants to tackle this problem. For example, in the case of Cardano, this means that sidechains that connect directly to the main chain and utilize WADA, wrapped ADA, as the asset to pay for transaction fees will be possible. The DC Spark team will be developing and deploying a unique piece of technology for the Milko-Meta protocol called wrapped smart contracts, according to Guillemot. He explains the advantages to Cardano users in the following way. With wrapped smart contracts, the L1 blockchain becomes a reliable coordination layer that users can utilize to execute smart contracts on the sidechain without having to leave the L1 blockchain. This provides a new user experience for end users, as they will be able to execute smart contracts on an EVM sidechain directly from Cardano mainnet or any other L1 deployment without having to switch wallets or even understand what is going on behind the scenes. Cardano is the first L1 blockchain that Milko-Meta will aim to assist. M1 is the name of the EVM-based sidechain that will link directly to Cardano. It will be not just Milko-Meta's first sidechain, but also Cardano's first sidechain. WADA will be M1's native asset, selected among current stake pool operators and other trustworthy institutions inside the ecosystem. M1's validators will be. Future Milko-Meta sidechains, according to Guillemot, will open the floodgates for interoperability between Cardano, Solana, and other L1 blockchains as well. The CEO of DC Spark had this to say regarding the news made yesterday. We think this is an unavoidable trend in which L1 blockchains like as Cardano and Solana serve as the backbone and coordinating layer for a wide ecosystem of smart contract languages and virtual machines. Charles Hoskinson, on the other hand, stated, interoperability is critical for mainstream blockchain acceptance. At IOHK, we don't think there will be a single blockchain to govern them all, and instead place a premium on cooperation. Sidechains are a critical component of our Cardano strategy for interoperability and scalability. We were the first to research proof-of-stake sidechains, and we understand how critical they are for interoperability in our sector. Milko-Meta is an important addition to the Cardano ecosystem because it will enable developers to make use of Cardano's speed, security, and cheaper costs without having to switch wallets or learn a new operating system. Let us know in the comments, what do you about smart contracts? Where do you think Cardano price will be after the launch of smart contracts?